we are in Texas at Underground. It's the Spring-a-Ding National. We're excited. It's the first kind of national that the kids have ever done. So we're excited. We're excited to be here, and Pace gets to race his electric bike against other electric bikes, and then he'll race his 50 as well. And then Sis will get racing the girls class, and also I think it's like 7 to 9 limited. So overall, I'm excited to see what it's about. It's always trippy for me to come to these amateur stuff and you see the support from the industry. It's cool to see. So yeah, see how it goes. This thing, you'll be fine. Don't stress on it.
No stress.
You might even pot it by the end of the weekend, honestly. Like it's actually, it looks big from over there, but it's not. It's not very big. You can go around the outside, and then I want you to double up onto there. Like literally first lap. We're gonna do it, okay? Let's work on that this week. Let's get the double down.
Dude, the lips look
Daisy, you got it.
The lips look steep. It looks like
Hey, you're a supercross only rider. These are not steep.
Oh no! Dude, on the e-bike. It's a lot more easier because it doesn't just go. And then you like just go.
I do the wheelchair.
Oh god, that is bad.
You cross couple, and then you find the beat and you go.
That's bad.
Hey, I gotta go in, Brady.
I don't know how to save the handle.
So we're under the Dunlop tent. We got some rain last night. The track's quite deep. They say it's quite a deep track anyway. It's kind of, I wouldn't call it sand, but it has like perfect loam. Like, talk about a track that you want to throw your boots on and go ride it because it looks awesome. So kids get to experience a scoop tire for the first time ever. Should be fun. We're thankful for Dunlop for the support, and yeah, as you can see, I mean, for those that haven't seen it, it's a scoop tire. It's kind of like their version of a sand tire. So yeah, should be fun. Big celebrations at amateur races.
Hey Dad, you're not an amateur.
I'm not an amateur. What am I, Pacer?
You're now a pro.
Yeah.
You're a pro for like 36 years, man. Dude, Tate left the shower on yesterday.
Are you joking?
Tate, you left the shower on yesterday, right?
No, I didn't. It was the rain.
It was classic Kaya. Classic.
Alright,
No, it didn't just go through the like that.
There are bikes on track. It is happening, people.
First motor's gonna get teared up. Got ripped though. Why can't I hear bikes going? Dad, I wonder if he grew. I don't think he grew. Dad, do you think he grew?
I didn't grow enough.
He didn't grow there.
The goal is not to grow anymore.
You're still short.
I'm happy with being short. Like the big thing is how soft it is coming into the turns. So just like carry a momentum in, keep that throttle on a little bit. Like you can drag the throttle a little bit into the turns, okay? Like it won't, because as soon as you back off, it's gonna want to stop. So just learn that. But have fun, okay? Be smart. I'm gonna go get Pace's soda and I'm gonna come watch you. All right? Have fun, buddy. Love you. Double, don't worry about it because they're way too muddy. Stand up, lock and go fast. Go. You can be good at your track, your practice facility. You can be good at your local race. But when you come out here, there's no hiding. You don't get to hide from the lack of whether it's skill or understanding of what it takes. There's no hiding. Like, it's funny to think, you lived on one side of it, now I'm seeing the other side of it. It's just, you go to these tracks and it's hard because as a dad you want to be pumped and there's small wins, but you also know and understand the bigger picture, and it's really difficult to be like, see your kids super excited that they're like ripping, they think they're ripping, but really knowing and understanding that you're a long way away. And there's no easy way to spell that out. They have to experience that. That's why you have to, sometimes you have to throw them in the big pond and let them see real tracks or tough tracks, real competitors, tough competitors. Because at the end of the day, you need to figure it out, in my opinion, now. Like, is this, are you made out? Are you cut out to do this? Are you ready to work hard to make it to that level or to get to that level? I'm excited. I love it. Like, I love that my kids love moto. But it's challenging for me to negotiate, what you know. You can't unknow what you know. And so sometimes a reality check is not a bad thing. All I care is come into the turn fast, dude, and just sit down and gas it. Like, it's just mud. The worst thing that's gonna happen is it's gonna go, you're gonna dig the front end and you're gonna fall over. If you fall over and it's just like sand. But you are so unbelievably slow entering the turn, and then it's like the turn's real long. There's no balance. Your balance is speed and momentum. The biggest thing that you can do this week is spend as much time, get a schedule, get your mom to get a schedule, and all the good kids that are out there, you need to be down on that fence and you need to be watching. It's the only way. I don't know a better way to teach you than you physically seeing what they're doing. And if you don't have it in you to want to go down there on the side of that fence, then I don't know, from my upbringing and how it was for me, I don't know a better way to help you. I don't. You're not terribly far off, honestly. It's just the little things, always.
You're slow, dude. If I'm slow, you're really slow.
Defeated.
Yeah, open.
Cayenne paste.
Yep. Funny one. The backside.
What? That thing's creepy.
And open. No. I'll open. It's a volley.
Right.
Am I ready?
Thanks, Taylor.
And then mommy's.
Okay, but don't film that one.
Don't film it.
Every bite, I'm gonna enjoy it, and I'm gonna think of you guys.
And every bite I'm
You're gonna go, this one
There's
is
24.
really, really good.
No.
Sealed, so there shouldn't be any rats.
Remember the one time I went.
Insert clip.
Have fun out there, okay? Rip it full wide everywhere.
You got this. Oh my god.
to your helmet up. Alright. Just focus on doing that double, and then that double. Not the triple, but the double. Just the double. And honestly, Kaya, that's it. Because those doubles are really sketchy. Like, they're really, really ruddy.
braking bump was like this. And then like the ruts were like this deep. My whole bike sunk into it. I was paddling like a P-dub. It was good. It was gnarly though. So we'll go out next time and see if it's better.
Cleanup time?
Yeah. As Dad always says, the fun part.
It's actually not. It's a lie.
How was your guys' day today? First day?
Good. It was good. Track was so rough. Like,
My track was so rough that every braking bump was like this. It was sketchy. But it was fun, and I had fun, so that's all that matters. But yeah, we had some fun here at Springeting. My day was good. Pace, how was your day? Great. Great. Okay.
What was the best part?
Having fun sending the jumps, man.
I didn't see you hit one jump.
I didn't see you hit the triple. Hey, you can hit that little double. It's
Not yet, but I'm gonna hit it.
How was your day?
It was good. My first practice was 9 to 11. I wasn't too great because I was just feeling out the track. So in my 85 beginner, I had a clear track ahead of me, and then I just found some better lines, and I trusted myself a little bit, and I got the double. So it was a good day.
Happy birthday, Dad!
We wish you
a happy birthday.
Also, thank you for always being there for us and helping us and being the best moto dad ever. Happy birthday.
He can relax, he can roll off the throttle.